Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy and my name is Dev. This is the weekly update on Nifty. So before starting, let me tell you one thing about our webinar. Guys, our webinar is on 18th February on this Sunday. So if you guys are interested, come over the website and fill up this form. Okay, only those people who are enrolling and who are submitting the details over here, those people will be updated how to get along on the webinar. All right, so if you are interested, you have to sign up. So I hope to see you all of you on the webinar. And for those who have already submitted the details, somebody from India Trading Academy will get back to you maybe tomorrow or maybe on Sunday morning. So they will be providing you the details how to get into the webinar and all that. So let's move to the next step. Now before we begin our analysis, one thing I'm seeing very common on these videos, guys, these are not the video. I repeat again, I have said it last time also, I have to repeat it again because some people are not getting it. This is a clip from our trading room. This is not just a video. I'm not making the videos of the trades and all that. All right, previously January we used to have so many clients because our trading room was very cost friendly and so many people were engaged. Now from this Feb, so I tell you how our trading room work. From 9 a.m. in the morning till 3 or 3:30 in the afternoon, my screen is shared with every trading room client and the student throughout the time. All right, whatever the trade I execute, I have to share with them. So whatever these video you see over there, I have to send these trades to my clients also. All right, we have 5 to 10 people live in the trading room who are joining live on the screens, and we also have 22 clients जिन्हें मुझे मैसेज के थ्रू अपनी ट्रेड्स अपडेट करना पड़ता है बिकॉज मार्केट में सभी लोग ट्रेडर नहीं होते. दे हैव सम डिफरेंट जॉब आल्सो and that's the concept of our trading room. For those people who are already doing good in their jobs and businesses but still they want to take advantage of the market, that's the platform, that's the kind of trading room we have. Okay, so we have to send our trades to the clients also. Now what made you think that I will make 2 videos and upload over there, like one in a buy, one in a sell? First of all, if you are thinking we are making 2 videos, that is a compliment for me, because for me it's a compliment that the work I do seems impossible to you, and that's how I see this. All right, so in the end I would say शक का कोई इलाज नहीं है. If you think I'm making 2 video, keep thinking that because उससे मेरे अकाउंट को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. मेरा अकाउंट ग्रो हो रहा है. You guys get it or don't get it, it's up to you. Now I would repeat again, the only reason we are putting this video so I can show you my work, I can show you my trades, how do I trade. Now this is very helpful for those who are planning to join ITA, because क्या होता है कि उन्हें पता होना चाहिए कि once they finish the course वो किस तरह की ट्रेडिंग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, किस तरह का कंसेप्ट सीखेंगे वो ये एक्सपेक्ट करें कोर्स से. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है कि आप सोच रहे हैं कि आपने बहुत अच्छा एक कोर्स ज्वाइन किया हुआ है, वंस दैट कोर्स इज फिनिश्ड आपको मूविंग एवरेज कंबाइन कुछ स्ट्रेटेजी बता दी जाती है. दैट इज द ओनली रीजन आई एम पुटिंग दिस वीडियो, जस्ट टू शोकेस द वर्क वी डू एट ITA. But still if you are not getting it, and that's your decision. Okay, anyways guys, so let's move to the Nifty weekly update. So this is our dearest Nifty again. Now remember last week I was very blunt about this. I'm looking for this move and it came. We trade this thing in our trading room, and once it came to the top, one of my trader was saying should we keep this trade to the upside, and I told them no, this has a more potential for one more down and then up, which means मैं अभी भी वो अप मूव ढूंढ रहा हूँ. मार्केट में अभी भी पॉसिबिलिटी है ये मूव आने का. द ओनली डिफरेंस has happened the way this came here. We declared this pattern for one downside and then I'm looking for this move, and once this move is confirmed, remember our fourth condition on our reversal pattern, that will be our fourth condition. So we have to reanalyze that over there. अगर वो condition fulfill होती है तो we have to declare this as a reversal pattern, otherwise we are fine, we are not going anywhere. Now I see many people are already saying Nifty is going 9,000, Nifty is going 10,000, Nifty is very expensive. You guys just guessing it. Okay, if you are just saying it, give me some logic behind it. Why do you see that way? If you think there is a major support on 9,000, congratulations to you. But just listen, there is more to the market. Support and resistance just a concept in the market. It's just a basic thing you need to know to trade. It's not the ultimate trading psychology in the market. Okay, market behavior and market structure जैसा कुछ होता है जो आप जिसका आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए. Once you know that, support and resistance just like ABC of the market. So anyways, for this week ये वाला मूव पोटेंशियल है. दिस विल कम ओवर हियर एंड देन आई एम लुकिंग फॉर दिस मूव. नाउ ये जो मूव यहाँ पर आया हुआ है, इस मूव की दोनों पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं. स्ट्रक्चर वाइज दिस मूव कैन गो हियर एंड देन अप, और this move can come here and then up, but still I'm looking for this move. If I get this, we would trade it. That's the weekly update for you guys. Now if you have the strategy to trade it, go ahead, you got your trade, right? And I really welcome you guys for the webinar which we are holding on 18th February, and this will be very interactive. I would be answering all of your questions. आपको कुछ perspective तो वहां से मिल ही जाएगा. How do I trade in the market? All right. So I see you guys on 18th. This is Intraday Trading Academy signing off. Thank you so much.